Good morning. What happened in here? Look, I mean, all the toys are by the door. Hi. Hi. Come on, you hungry? Okay. Yeah, good morning. We may have to do good morning after they eat. I found another one of their teeth. And I'm betting it's Fig's because it's smaller. And he has the smallest teeth. Baron has quite big teeth, and then Grace's teeth, I would say, are normal. But look, I found another one. I'm so excited. Just look at this dog. And she's going to go in the house. Here, bend your head down. Oh, you look like you're glowing. She's going to go in the house and get all this stuff everywhere. And if you'll remember, she just had a bath like a week ago. What? I don't know where you're at. Look, they are so worn out from playing all over the house today. Oh, why are you in there? You don't fit in there anymore. You're not supposed to. I came in and Fig was making all kinds of noise. But he just does that sometimes because he's lazy and he wants me to come get him. And he was in the little drawer, which you don't fit in anymore. Oh, you're so sleepy. You're so sleepy. Don't get in there. You have a whole dresser. Oh, and a cat tree. Oh. There's that one. It's like, what? What do you do? Are you sleeping? You sleeping? Yeah. What? Tell everybody how tired you are. Oh, that's a mean looking face. Are you mean? People are gonna think you're mean. I'm not mean though. He is the most bitey, scratchy one though. But he's playing. He's not being mean. Or you? Yeah. Oh. Look what they've done to the top of the dresser. It's just scratched to pieces. Okay, I stopped petting him. Did you hear that? I'm sorry. I was showing him the damage that you made. Let's take a... Let's turn that off so we don't get in trouble. I don't know what's on there. I don't know what copyright and what's not. Oh. You gonna stretch? Did I turn it off? I'm sorry. I'll turn it back on when I'm done. Did you decide to come to this bed? It's much safer than the top of the closet. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you right now that I am not the sharpest tool in the shed, because I bought this thinking it was just the grass seeds. I don't know why, because it says self-grow kit, but I had wanted to just get the seeds and plant them in my own like medium to where I knew like what was in the dirt, because all these say is just custom soil mixtures, or it never says what is in the dirt. And so I thought, well, I'll get some seeds. Well, this is not it. So I had to cut like a chunk out of the unboxing video because I had explained all that, and then I got it out and I was looking at it and I was like, oh, but this is really weird. And y'all may have seen this before, but you grow it in the bag. So it says poke 10 holes in the bottom of the bag before tearing open at the notch. Pet grass will grow right out of the bag. Just add water, and in 5 to 7 days you'll have luscious, healthy organic greens, no green thumb required. But then it says detailed growing instructions are enclosed. But you can't get those until after you poked the holes in the bag and opened it. So hopefully it'll tell me like how much water to add in the detailed growing instructions. I'd really actually like to be able to put this in a pot because it doesn't seem very safe to just leave a bag out. I mean, I don't know how they wouldn't knock that over. But I don't know. I'm going to poke some holes in it and see. Okay, I'll poke the holes. I don't know if that's the right size or not, but we'll see. Okay, I got the detailed instructions, and I did the holes, and then you spread the seeds in the soil, making sure they're covered, and then you put this in a saucer or a bowl, and you put a cup of water in, and you put it in a shady area until they've sprouted, and then you put it in a well-lit, ventilated area. So I'll probably just put it in the kitchen window. I added the seeds. I only put half of the seeds in there because that was a lot of seeds. And covered them up as best I could, and then added a cup of water. And I'm going to put them on the back of the counter out of the way of the light and check them in a couple days. Baron is so funny because he does like drive-by things on it. He'll hit it and then he'll like walk past it, and he'll hit it and he'll walk past it. What is it, pig? Come on. Oh, Grace doesn't want to be on film today.